Compared to terrestrial animals, the skin and body shape of aquatic animals appear to have undergone changes. Fishes have scales on the skin and fins on the body. Their body tapers towards both its ends, like a spindle. Fish breathe with gills instead of a nose. Their eyes have transparent eyelids. They have air bladders within the body to help them to float. As the frog and duck have webbed toes, they can use their legs like oars. Water flows off the waxy feathers of birds like duck and water hen. Webbed toes, slippery, smooth skin, and a triangular head helps frogs to swim easily through the water. They can live on land as well as in the water due to their ability to breathe through the skin in water and using the nose and lungs on land. The typical colors of a frog's back help it to hide among grasses. Adaptation in forests and grasslands animals. Tigers have padded paws. This enables them to silently stalk their prey and capture it easily. The eyes of predatory carnivores are located in the front of their head. It helps them to spot their prey from a long distance. The eyes of herbivores are below the forehead, on either side of the head. This gives them wide-angle vision, which helps to protect them from predators. Their legs are long and tapering with strong hooves, which enables them to run fast, taking long leaps. Their long and freely moving ears can receive sound from long distances and different directions. Deer and blackbucks have colors that merge with their surroundings. Their teeth are strong for chewing tough plant material. Adaptation in desert animals. Deserts are characterized by severe scarcity of water. Hence, desert animals have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Their legs are long with flat and cushioned soles. The nostrils are protected by folds of skin. The eyelashes are long and thick. Rats, snakes, spiders, lizards in deserts live in deep burrows during daytime and are active at night. Adaptation in animals of snowy regions. From the internet, download images of animals like yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, Siberian husky dog, and snow leopard. Compare these images with those of similar animals from tropical forest. A white or silver body color, long, thick hair on the skin are typical characteristics of animals of snowy regions. Adaptation in aerial animals. The spindle-shaped body of birds also minimizes the resistance of air while flying. With hollow bones of body covering of feathers and modifications of forelegs into wings, their body is light in weight and adapted for flying. The body of insects also is light in weight and tapers at both ends. They can fly with 2 pairs of wings and also walk 6 sticks like legs. Bat can fly with the help of the patagium, a thin fold of skin between their forelegs and hind legs. Adaptation of reptiles. The house lizard and monitor lizard have clawed toes and thin soles, whereas snakes have scaly skin. Adaptation for food in animals. We can categorize animals as herbivores and carnivores. Special adaptations are seen in each category to make the process of feeding easy. We will discuss this in greater detail in the chapter in nutrition. Complete the following chart from your own observation. You can see adaptation, animal and use of adaptation are three categories. Under adaptation, we have sharp teeth, long and pointed beak, short beak, long and sticky tongue, long neck. For example, we have shown sharp teeth. Under animal, they are lion and tiger. And under the use of adaptation, it's to tear the flesh.